So, hi Kuya Daniel. Sana maging happy ka at um, masaya para sa birthday mo ngayon. At saka, sana magustuhan mo to mga message namin sa'yo. Huwag kang mainip, Kuya Daniel, kasi mahal na mahal ka namin. Super, super, super. Sneaky. So, ito na. Let's get started. Hi, Kuya Daniel. Happy 18th birthday. Stay awesome and handsome. God bless you. Sana magtagal pa ang nakakakilig na Katniel. Enjoy your day, Daniel, DJ, Daniel Ledesma, Patrick Rivero, Gino De La Rosa, Dasho Yuan, Angelo, Ivan, Potpot, at Potty. Sana mapansin mo na kami. At kung may nang babash man sa'yo, huwag kang mapatalo kasi insecure lang yan sila. So, we love you, Kuya. It's from Abby. Yan po yung message niya. Yan. Next. Ito na. First of all, happy birthday and God bless. Kung ano man wish mo, sana matupad at more projects. It's so simple para kay galing kay Lorenzo. Yan. Next. Ito. Hi Daniel, happy 18th birthday. Stay as you are. Huwag kang magbabago. Mahal ka namin. Pakigreet naman ng kuya ko si Adrian Gaita sa Twitter mo. Lang i-greet. I-mention mo lang user ko. 18th birthday niya din kasi. Thank you. It's Aliana Jane. Yan. So, Kuya Daniel, hindi po kasi lahat nag-send sa akin. Pero may nag-greet po sa inyo. Yung nag-greet po yun nga po, teka, wait lang. Si Janelle ata siya, Janelle Ben. Isa ganun. Yun siya, si Janelle Ben, happy birthday daw. Happy birthday, Daniel Padilla. Mahal kita, DJ. Yun. Tapos, from kay Lauren, from Ate Aliana, from Abby, from Ate Beth, si Ate Elizabeth, yun. So, yun po sila lahat ng nag-greet sa aking inbox. Nag-greet po sila para sa'yo. So, sana daw po magustuhan niyo po at mapansin niyo na po kami. May message din po ako para sa'yo. So, sana magustuhan mo po ito. Simple lang po talaga yung message ko para sa'yo. Kasi, mataas pero simple. Kamusta ka na? Good pa rin ba? Ito na. So, hi Daniel, kamusta ka na? Sana mapansin mo na po ako. Kahit ngayon lang po. Idol po kita masyado. Sasali po sana ako dun sa promo para sa concert mo. Sorry, hinahinay na. Pero di ko po ata kakayanin yung likes nila. Kasi ako lang naman ay isang simpleng babae na nangangarap na makita ka. Di po ako susuko hanggat makita kita po yan, Daniel. Kung mapapansin mo po ako na po ata ang pinakamasayang tao sa buong mundo. Kasi kahit picture mo lang nakikita ko, buo na agad ang araw ko. Mahal na mahal. Alam ko po na mahal mo si Baba mo o si Ate Kat. At sure ako na mahal ka din ng Baba mo. Mahal na mahal ka din namin. Na-remember niyo pa po ba nung binate mo ako sa live stream niyo? Ang saya-saya ko po nun. Kahit simple lang po ito, sana magustuhan niyo po ito. Dear Daniel, noon pa po kita gustong makita since Gimmick 2010 as Daniel Ledesma, to growing up as Patrick Rivero, to Princess and I as Gino De La Rosa and Dasho Yuan, to 24/7 in Love as Billy Fernandez, to Sister Racas as Angelo Santos, to Must Be Loved as Ivan Lacton, at sa susunod mo pa pong project. Suportahan po kita hanggang sa huli. Sana makabalik na ulit kayo dito sa Davao at promise ko po na pupunta ako. Tsaka Kuya Daniel, happy birthday! So, ingat po kayo lagi Stay astig and solid, bossing. Once again, happy birthday Kuya Daniel. Pati. Happy birthday. Your fan, Christine.
Come on, clap your hands. 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 Come on, clap your hands.
I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way. I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way.
Hey girl, come closer to me. There's so much that I wanna do for you. Let me tell you what you wanna hear. You are the part of me, yeah. Don't you know I miss your tender touch? Now I need so much. Oh my love is it for you. I want you for the rest of my life.
I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way. I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way.
Give me what I need to feel my fantasy. You know what makes me happy. You drive me oh so wild with your kisses and your smile. You are the one that's right for me. Don't close your eyes when there's so much for you to see. Leave your troubles, open up to me. Don't be afraid, I like the way you get to me. We can make it through the day.
I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way.
Oh my love,
I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way.
I just wanna be close to you.
I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way.
Only you.
I just wanna be close to you. Only you can make me feel this way.
So let me knock on your door and explore you a little more, cause you're the kind of girl that I've been